I met Wilson on the recommendation of a colleague. My colleague asked that I meet up with Wilson to just hear his story and hear the success of one of our former students. And so I did that fairly early, I think, in the summer of 2016. And after meeting with him, I went, wow, this is a success story that our teachers need to hear. So I had Wilson actually come up and speak to our entire staff, all employees, about 3,400 people in August of 2016. And I didn't know the impact of that conversation until Wilson was actually on stage in front of those folks. What I was hoping was that our teachers would see, our paras would see, our cooks, our custodians would see a former student who had gone on and done well. What I didn't realize was all of our employees, whether they were administrators, teachers, cooks, custodians, or otherwise, what they were going to see was somebody who could speak firsthand about growing up in poverty, firsthand talking about diversity, firsthand talking about overcoming challenges, firsthand talking about perseverance and being successful, and all of those things and many others that if I took a little more time, I could think of, woven into this one incredibly powerful speech. He had his former teachers, everybody who knew him, and those who didn't know him, eating out of his hand. He just did a remarkable job of speaking to the hearts of everybody in attendance. And he had us all really well prepared to go out and do our job. What I've found since that point in time is the person that I heard who engaged us, entertained us, and educated us. I've heard him go out and do that in the community. I've heard him do it in our schools on a smaller level and impact the lives of our kids. And so I've seen this one young man impact the lives of adults and the lives of kids and be equally impressive regardless of the age group. So it truly was my good fortune to meet Wilson. It was my good luck to invite him to speak to our entire workforce. And finally, it is my personal good luck to get to know him over the last couple of years.